If you can hang a picture, you can hang your solar shades in no time. Today, I'm going to show you just how easy it is. Grab these 3 simple tools and let's get started. All solars have the same basic parts, the shade itself and the necessary mounting hardware. Today, we're installing a solar shade with an optional fascia, as you can see here. Depending on the type of shade you ordered, the pieces or parts you have may be a little different. That's okay. You'll follow basically the same steps I'll go through here to hang them. Just be sure to check the instructions that came with your product before you start. One of the reasons people like solar shades is that they're so easy to put up. All you have to do is screw the brackets in and click the roll into place. The first step is to mark where you want to place your brackets. Measure the depth of your window to verify if you'll have enough space for at least 1 screw. With the bracket in place, make a mark through the pilot hole. Since we are installing a fascia on this inside mount shade, there are 2 sets of brackets. Insert the shade installation brackets into the fascia brackets, like this. For inside mounted shades like this one, the shade bracket can be moved up or down to perfectly level the shade as needed. They'll hang down like this and be screwed into the top portion of the window frame, here and here. Before actually drilling in the screws, it's a good idea to pre-drill the holes to make it easier to put them in. Place the bracket over the holes and drill the screws in loosely. This gives you a little wiggle room for any adjustments to make sure the brackets are straight and aligned properly. Once the brackets are lined up, finish drilling the screws in all the way. Once the brackets are secured and level, locate the idler pin and insert it on the left side bracket. You should hear a click when it is securely installed. Now insert the solar shade into the idler like this. Clip the opposite end of the shade to the other bracket. They should fit together like a buckle on a life jacket. For an inside mount fascia like this, position the fascia so that the top grooves on the back line up with the top grooves on the brackets. Tilt the fascia down so that the bottom is pushed inwards toward the window while the grooves are aligned. Then, tilt it up and the fascia will click into place. Once you have fully installed the shade, carefully remove the protective bands with a pair of scissors. That's it! Now just operate the shade up and down a few times to make sure everything looks and works right. If you need to remove your solar shade, remove the fascia by tilting the bottom outward toward you until you hear it click. Then, use your finger or a flathead screwdriver to push the release tab. Then, simply remove the shade and you're done. We hope you enjoy your beautiful new solar shades from Select Blinds. If you have any questions or need any additional help, please see your product's installation guide on our website or just give us a call. We're here to help.